Time to bring new stock in and track who you buy from. In this video, you will add suppliers and record a purchase. First, open the supplier screen from the menu. Click Add Supplier to create a new supplier record. Enter the supplier name, phone number, and address. Save, and your supplier is ready to use. Now open the Purchases screen to bring stock in. Click New Purchase to start recording what you bought. Choose the supplier you are buying from. Add a reference number so you can match the invoice later. Now add each product as a line item on the purchase. For every line, set the quantity and the cost price. GOF POS adds up the total amount for you. Next, enter how much you paid the supplier. Then enter how much is still due to them. The payment status shows paid, partial, or due automatically. Paid means cleared, and partial means some balance remains. Due means the whole amount is still owed. When you save the purchase, your stock increases automatically. Every product on the purchase now shows more quantity in hand. In the next video, we will add your team and set permissions.